Hi, I'm Dan from Apex Autos and we're going to take this fantastic Skoda Yeti DSG automatic for a little test drive. So the car fires up very nicely, slip it down into drive and away we go. So we do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there, the gearbox feels really smooth, the suspension's riding the bumps on this country road very nicely, the brakes feel good, steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. It's a really lovely car to drive, great driving position, sitting that little bit higher up, great visibility, and also fantastic specification on this one. So we've got the upgraded alloy wheels, we've got the upgraded leather interior with heated front seats, and then we've got a nice large colour touchscreen multimedia system. On there you've got the all-important Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming. We've got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver if they wish. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, really nice leather multifunction steering wheel, cruise control as well. What else have we got? We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, power folding door mirrors. So yes, just great specification all round. Car's pretty powerful, so pretty nippy when you want it to be. Such a smooth drive. Car's done 66,850 miles at the moment on a 2014 plate, so that's below average, I would say. Here we are back at base. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.